I've been given two problems that I've asked to simplify the expressions. And so let's start with this first one. I need to simplify it, so when I think about my map man, helper of the day's student rules, I know that I need to have like bases in order to use those rules. And when I look, I don't have a single base that's alike. So it's almost simplified, except that I know that I cannot have a negative exponent in my simplified answer. So what I'm going to do is just draw my fraction bar and start dealing with them. So the numbers, or the bases that have positive exponents, they stay exactly where they are. So my a to the 5th, he was happy where he was. My b to the 3rd, happy where he was. And on bottom, my d squared, also very happy. These are our guys that we're going to have to deal with. So let's start with the c. The c raised to the -2, what we need to do, our rule is cross the line and change the sign. So the c is going to have to go from the top to the bottom, and the negative exponent becomes a positive. Now our b is negative down on the bottom, so he also has to cross the line, so he's got to go to the top and change the sign. That's the answer to my first one. Now if I look at my second problem, again, I don't have any more simplifying I can do. I don't have any like bases or anything being raised to an additional power, but what I do have is a negative exponent, which I can't have. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my line, because I know I'm going to have to cross it, even though there isn't one right now, and start with who's happy. My b squared is happy where he is, but my a with the negative exponent is going to have to cross the line that moves him to the bottom and change the sign to a +3. And those are my answers.